Say hi. Na-picture ka dyan, nak. Hi. Say hi. Hello guys, namin sa Crocodile Park. Nak, ayun nak. Say hi, nak. Hi. Check pa mong bag, let's go. Yay!
Check here. Wala pa.
Look at that. Dragon's Den. What's that? What's that? Don't touch it, ha? Don't touch it. Look at that. Look at its head. Look at its head. Oh! There's a snake. Look at the snake. Yeah.
Let's go there.
Oh, it's a bird. Dili magduol lang.
Bird. Hi, bird.
Look at that.
Oh, the bird is flying. Come here, look at mama. Look, the 150.
Gunit, ikaw mo.
Oh, inana. Namin ito inana dati.
Ikaw mo gunit. Uy.
Kani? Nakagunit ako dati, dad.
Hindi mo siguro siya mao.
Muna siya. Ay, mut lang. Lugay na po bitaw ito.
Gunit ka? Just the start. Do you like the crocodile? How about this one?
No, I didn't like it.
Look at that.
Daddy, nakita ko sa picture na.
Snack.
Hindi crocodile view.
Lai.
Ayun, Lai.
Ayaw, Hansa. Hindi sila magpayo na.
Oh, look so good ka no?
Sika ka na ko.
Dili ka sa crocodile. Hindi man na. Kano ra na siya, B?
Dili man na alive. Wow.
Kamila.
Let's go, let's go. Era, come here.
Snake, oh. Elephant food day, oh.
I-touch ang elephant o snake, dali. Wow.
1, 2, 3, smile, Ara.
Smile.
Ara. Look at mama. It's a sloth?
No, it's a moth.
Ay.
Ano? Nag-sleep siya. Milo. Milo.
Milo?
Dili mag-touch ha. Ito, look at the snakes. Oh. It's a big snakes. Pangit ka! Pangit! Pangit!
na siya, oh. Iporma na siya, di. Sprayhan ka na rin.
It's a lion. Ayaw, gunit na. Dili lang kadapit na. Kumusing ambakan ka na. Look at that. Lay.
Ayan lang.
Lay, butan mo. Lalay. Lay.
Ayaw sa bado.
Ayun na kayo.
Ayaw sa bado.
Ang saba, Lay. Lay.
Ayun na.
Hey guys. Nak, nag-enjoy ka?
Pick up.
Enjoy ba ka? Wala.
Pick up.
Okay, kita si Araw Peacock. Ayaw, manuhik na.
Pika. Dili ka lapit na ko. Don't touch lang sa screen, ha? Sure, mapusikan ka.
Palayo lang, palayo lang.
Pick up.
Face mama, face mama. Picture.
Kulikot na si Pika.
Dili lang mag-touch sa screen na. Look at that.
Picture sa na, picture na. Ito kay mama?
Look at that.
Ay, wala na iba.
Nak, ayaw, palayo ka mamig daddy, nak.
Come here.
Look at that. Do you like the zebra?
Come here.
Do you like the zebra? It's a birds.
You want daddy?
Look at the bird. There's a red bird.
That's
Oh, ayaw lang i-touch ang fence. It's nice.
oh, they have food.
Do you like it?
That is Alican. This is me.
Best friends?
Yeah.
They are best friends. Look at that, oh.
Mulok daw ko na.
Ito na oh.
Huh?
Kamata.
Sleepy siya, no?
Ilang food na oh.
Oh, white birds. Look at that. Oh, dili maglayo ka dada.
Ano po, nasa mga 4 feet lang po yan.
Ayun na siya, oh. Ayun pala yun. Look at that.
Ay, kamot, anak na kamot.
Oh, there's a baby.
Dad, ay, doon, dali.
Tarami, tarami. Ay! Dili, tagi-tagi ta dali. Dali. Kaya masing mo dagan. Ay! Dali. Hala. Cry.
Picture na, dali lang kadapit. Ayaw lang light. Dali lang, dali lang. Okay lang. 1, 2, 3, smile. Look at mama. Look at me. Di. Look at me lagi. Dali, perfect na na. Sa long stretch, oh.
What's that? It's a lamb.
Little lamb, very sharp.
Baby shark.
Diba sa pizza ko?
baby lamb.
Tana sa ka mama. Tana kay mama. Okay. Nak, dali,
Careful, ayaw dala ka dirty.
playground.
Look at this fish. Ayaw din na, kainit ka na. Ay. Dili na pwede ka sa mga animals na. Dali. Hey guys, nag-brief ko ng isda guys. Si Ana Rose. Si Ana Rose guys. Woo! Look at the fish. Nak, awan nak. Look at that. Fish. So, muna si life size ni Lolong. Lolong. That's Lolong nak. Oh, relax na mi guys kay paningot na mig binaktas oh. Ayan, paabot mi sa show karon. I-show sa mga animals diri, mga animals. And paabot na mi and after ni tanaw na mi. Okay.
With nature for a better future. We are the Tribu Kamindrawan Cultural Dance Troupe, a village showcasing Mindanao culture. And later at 11:45 onwards, we will have another set of cultural show at Kawanan sa Tribu Kamindrawan. It is located between Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo. And this time, you will witness a glimpse of indigenous dances now.
With a scientific name of Hyannis locagaster. Loco meaning white and gaster meaning belly, therefore the white-bellied sea eagle. The white-bellied sea eagle are commonly found in near coastal areas of India, Australia, and also here in the Philippines. The white-bellied sea eagle are the second largest eagle here in the Philippines, with the wingspan that can reach up to 2.2 meters or 7.2 feet. So ganyan kalapad ang kanilang mga pakpak, lalo na pag umabot sa lakas sa kanyang apple size. So palakpakan naman natin sila.
Clap your hands, clap your hands.
Now, here in the Philippines, we have 51 species of doctors, but here in Davao Crocodile Park Zoo, we have 4 species of doctors, namely, Nagaminingay. And now, here the boy. There you go, at syempre, di rin magpapakuli ang kanyang younger brother. Now, si JJ. Now, JJ, yeah. There you go. So once again, that is Mr. Bill and JJ, our proving great hornbill, with a scientific name of Buceros mindanensis. Mindan meaning Mindanao, and ensis meaning belonging to. Therefore, belonging to Mindanao. As you can see, guys, their bills or ang kanilang mga tuka, it comprises 30% of its body. And they have long and beautiful eyelashes po. Kung makikita nyo sila sa malapitan. Now guys, legit na legit yan, hindi sila nagpa-extension. And this morning, magpapakitang gila sila gamit ang kanilang mga tuka. To follow muna. Okay? At the count of 3, you need to shout fly. So what's the word? Fly. So let's practice first. 1, 2, 3, and... More power, more energy. 1, 2, 3, and... Ayan, ready na natin ang mga bisita, mga kuya, ng Kuya G-Mark, Kuya Dexter. Ready na ba? Diba? Hello, now, folks. Prepare your cameras. Mabilis lang to. At in count of 3, 1, 2, 3, and... Perfect catch. Mr. Bill and JJ. Now guys, if you see a hornbill doing that in the wild, you are so very lucky because they are actually in mating ritual. So naligaw mo yung lalaking kalaw na gumagawa niyan. Mas maraming insect na na-catch yung lalaking kalaw, ay mas mataas ang chance na sasagutin siya ni ate girl na kalaw. And did you know that they call that monogamous? Monogamous meaning, once they found a partner in the wild, they will stay with them forever. 1, 2, 3, and... Live! What a perfect catch! Mr. Bill and JJ, our Philippine great hornbill, are also known as the alarm clocks of the rainforest because they make noise every morning, noon, and after. Once again, thank you so much for the picture.
Ayun na. Lay. Ayaw, Lay. Daghan naman kayo mo, Lay. Butan naman sila, Lay.